Today I'm going to show you how to make my quick and easy tomato garlic bruschetta. First thing I do is take about 10 basil leaves and I chop them really finely. You can see I didn't like the knife I was originally using, so I switched to a bigger one. It just makes the fine chopping easier when you have a large knife. So once I have that nice and chopped, I just put it in a bowl and then move on to the tomatoes. For the tomatoes, I like to use either cherry or grape tomatoes, and I cut them in half and then cut those halves into quarters. I put them all on a paper towel, and when I'm done chopping them all, I just squeeze the excess water out of the tomatoes before I put them in the basil mixture. Next thing I do is I toss that all together, and then I add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Use more or less to your own taste. Mix all that together, and then I add about a teaspoon of coarse salt. Again, more or less to your own taste, but I like the coarse salt in this recipe. Mix all of that, and then the last thing I do is I add about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I mix it all until it's all coated, and then I actually store it in the refrigerator. I like it a little better served the next day after all the flavors have melded together, but you can serve it right away. Either one works great. I hope you enjoy this recipe.